Ha! It's Mother Digital. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. If I have sent you an overlay file, you will go in OBS to your sources, hit the plus symbol, go to media source, hit OK. You can name it whatever you want to name it. Hit OK. You're gonna browse for it. I made one for Bucky right here. It will have the MOV at the end. You will hit open. Make sure to mark loop or it will stop, you know, whatever it's doing after it run its course. And hit OK. And you can move it to wherever you want to move it. Size it. Yeah, and that's how you do it, people.